Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, you're welcome. Thank you for watching this video. For returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you all for always coming back to watch my videos. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you all how to make a Zahra cap, and the materials we'll be needing are your satin fabric, a pair of scissors, thread and needle, marco or wording. So let's move to the tutorial. So I've already cut out my fabric and the measurement is width 25 inches. I measured my head and my head circumference is 24 inches, so I added an inch for sewing allowance. And then the length for this I measured 21 inches. You can actually increase the length if you want to. So I'm going to fold this fabric this way so that I can get the middle, and I'm going to notch it right there at the middle. So I'm going to pick up my marco and repeat the same process. I'm just going to notch it at the middle like this. After doing that, I'm going to place this on top my satin fabric and then fold it this way. And I'm also going to bend it inwards so that I can stitch with my sewing machine. So I'm going to stitch all the way like this. I'm just going to stitch like this. And I'm also going to stitch the edges where the marco is. So once you're done doing that, you'll be left with 14 inches. Like I said guys, you can actually increase the length of yours if you want it longer. So I'm just going to take it to my machine right now and stitch everything. So guys, I've just stitched the edges of the fabric. Also, I just stitched the both sides. So after stitching, I'm going to fold it this way so that I can get the middle of the fabric. I'm just going to fold it like that and then stitch from this point to the end of the fabric this way. This point to the end of the fabric like this, and I'll be doing this off camera so that I do not take too much of your time guys. So guys, I've done that. So at this point, I'm going to run my needle and thread through the area that I stitched. I'm just going to run my needle and thread this way. And after doing all of that, at the end, I'm going to knot everything so that it doesn't unravel. So guys, I'm going to cut out 2 pieces of my satin fabric again, and I'll measure 4.5 inches as width. And then for the length, I'll measure 13.5 inches. Don't forget that you have to cut out 2 pieces of your satin fabric the same way. And after doing that, I'm just going to place them like this. I'm going to place them like this and then stitch them together this way. So once you're done doing that, pick up your satin fabrics and then stitch them together this way. Just make sure that you are stitching the wrong sides of the fabric. So at this point, guys, we are done with our cap. I'm just going to flip it over to the good side. So this is what yours should look like. I'm quickly going to place it on my mannequin so that you guys can see how beautiful it came out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do believe that this tutorial has been helpful. If it has, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment in the comment section. Don't also forget to turn on your notification buttons so that each time I post, you'll be the first to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.